The stillness blooms above my brow. The light arrives, it whispers now. No sound, no thought, no need to rise. Just open space, just endless skies. The mind grows clear, the breath grows wide. The self unfolds, the world inside. No border left, no light, no seam. The dreamer wakes within the dream. The crown dissolves into the air. The stars reach down, the souls lay bare. Each point of light, each sound, each hue becomes the one that shines as you. No higher here, no place to climb, no edge to cross, no mark of time. Just quiet radiance, vast and near. The voice of silence all can hear. The thoughts still come, but they are glass. Each one lets endless beauty pass. The crown is not a point above. It is the gate to formless love. Now heaven breathes through skin and bone, and everything is now my own. The air, the field, the sound, the flame, each softly whispers the same name. Awareness, remembrance.